Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to check your power steering fluid in this BMW. What you're going to want to do is look for the power steering reservoir. It's right here, more on the driver's side than the passenger side. We'll take the cap. You want to make sure there's no dirt or anything around here. Just wipe it off with a rag. And then we'll twist the cap off to the left, unscrew it. We're going to wipe it off first. I'm going to reinsert the dipstick, or the dipstick is on the actual cap, and we'll pull it out again. And actually the power steering fluid in this is very low. It should be between these two lines, and it's actually way down here. So this is a vehicle we're going to want to top it off, but we're going to also want to check any of the power steering components and make sure they're not leaking, because they could be leaking. And to tighten that, just snug it up, and that's it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.